Forestry professionals in Nordic and Baltic countries are facing similar challenges. Leading forest management technology scientists and engineers attended research conference OSCAR to share their experience and present the results of their latest researches. Efficiency and increasing efficiency were some of the key aspects of the conference.
There are fields, I think there are many fields that needs further development, obviously. We are all facing, at the moment, a problem crisis, you could say, in some of the forest industries, which makes it even more important that we are efficient, we can deliver wood with low costs. So the efficiency and the cost factors are very important to have a profitable forest industry. So that's one of our aims to see that we are efficiently taking out the trees. But also there is also an increasing pressure from the environment, from the society to do this in a very gentle way. And I think that new technology can also have an important role to play there.
During the 3 days, scientists were presenting their researches to conference participants, covering an extensive range of areas, from logging to peat soil and use of laser scanning method in the organization and planning of logging activity. A number of researchers dealt with theoretical and practical aspects of stump removal. Latvian State Forest Research Institute Silava representative Andris Lazdiņš notes that the conference is the largest forest management technology event in Latvia in 20 years.
Tā ir lielākā zinātniskā Ziemeļvalstu konference. Protams, ja mēs runājam par kaut kādām izstādēm, meža tehnoloģiju, tad tās ir tūkstošos mērāms dalībnieku skaits. Šeit mums bija 120 vai 130 dalībnieki, bet lielajās izstādēs parasti tiek uzaicināti no šiem šeit esošajiem cilvēkiem 2-3. Viņi pastāsta apmēram 1,5 stundu garu prezentāciju par 1 vai 2 pētījumiem, bet šeit bija tas ļoti plašs pētījumu klāsts, 60 prezentācijas apmēram bija. Līdz ar to tā informācija, ko šeit var iegūt, ir daudzajādā ziņā krietni lielāka un daudzpusīgāka nekā to, ko var dabūt lielās izstādēs.
Andris Balodis, director at the Roundwood Supply Department and the State Joint Stock Company Latvijas Valsts Meži, says that the conference gave participants a unique opportunity to see and hear how forestry professionals can improve their work. On the other hand, end consumers, company representatives could acquaint themselves with the results of the researches and the current trends in forestry management in other countries.
To, ko es šeit redzēju vai ieraudzīju, tad zinām tādu apstiprinājumu, vai mēs ejam tai pašā virzienā, kur kaimiņi, vai domājam tai pašā virzienā. Un varbūt vēl tādas dažas lietas, kas ir tuvākā mūsu nākotne, kur mums arī noteikti būs jāpievēršās un jāturpina strādāt tajā virzienā, kā piemēram šīs dažāda veida lāzeru skanēšanas, gan no gaisa, gan kas ir ar aviācijas vai satelīta palīdzību, lai iegūtu labāku un precīzāku informāciju par mežu, par tos datus par kokiem, uz kur pamatu varam veikt labāku plānošanu, gan arī skanēšanu, izmantojot meža mašīnas, kas ir harvesteris, kas ir kokgāšanas, sagarmošanas, atzarošanas mašīna.
The conference, which is held on a biennial basis in one of the Nordic or Baltic countries, was organized by Latvian State Forest Research Institute Silava in cooperation with OSCAR Management Committee.